Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Oliver Smith.
Well, we did pick up some rain in some places today, mostly just along the Oregon coast. In fact, Brookings picked up just shy of 1/10 of an inch of rain. Also the same thing down towards Crescent City. So just not a whole lot of rain in the area. For today, though, high temperatures went into the 50s along over towards Klamath Falls and in towards Brookings, 56, 57 degrees. 66 was the high temperature here in Medford, so just a little bit cooler than our seasonal average. It's been a bit on the breezy side here in Medford. Wind gusts currently upwards of about 28 miles an hour, and that's been about the strongest wind gusts so far. A little bit of wind out towards Lakeview as well, gusts to around 22 miles an hour. Our next system is not all that impressive, but it is offshore. This will be moving into our area for tomorrow, which will give us some showers for tomorrow. Tonight's forecast, it's going to be cool for some locations tonight because we're going to have the clearing sky for tonight. Lows into the upper 20s east of the Cascades, right around freezing for the Shasta Valley, and near 40 degrees here into the Rogue Valley. Mid to upper 40s, still some showers lingering along the Oregon coast. Tomorrow it's going to be a pretty blustery day up and down Interstate 5 and east of the Cascades. We're looking at highs into the 50s and 60s for the most part. 60 degrees for Wairika, 59 in Medford. So many locations will be right around 60 degrees for tomorrow. Now, with that being said, we're going to have a couple systems move through and they're going to bring some cool air. And so we're going to be looking at mostly for the Illinois Valley for early on Tuesday morning. We do have a freeze watch for Josephine and Eastern Curry County. Now, the caveat for this particular thing is going to be if we have enough cloud cover, we may not actually get towards freezing, may end up being a little bit above and may not have any frost at all. So it's why it's a freeze watch at this particular time. So we'll have clouds throughout our area for tonight. We'll see them slowly increase overnight, and then we're going to see some showers developing along the Oregon coast this tomorrow morning. Now, once we get towards the mid and later morning, we'll start seeing that spread inland. We'll start seeing some snow into the Cascades as well. Now, once we get past, say, lunchtime or so, we'll start seeing those showers really start to decrease, and the most of the activity is actually going to stay way up to our north, but you can see some pretty good wind barbs here. It's going to be pretty blustery throughout our region. Now we go through the day on Tuesday, we're going to be looking at almost the same kind of scenario. More snow into the Cascades, at least a little bit. This is mostly going to be over towards Crater Lake and Diamond Lake, really overall, but we're not going to be looking at a whole lot of activity here into the Rogue Valley because these are pretty weak systems and most of the energy going to the north. And then Wednesday, looking pretty nice overall. Gusty winds for tomorrow, we could be looking at gusts around 40 miles an hour, and then also that same kind of scenario as we get towards Monday afternoon, especially east of the Cascades. Once we get towards Tuesday, then we're going to start seeing the wind calm down just a little bit more, but the wind will actually start changing directions on Wednesday. We'll start getting more of a north to south flow as opposed to the west to east flow. Snowfall amounts through Monday morning, we're going to be looking at decent amounts, especially over towards Crater Lake and Diamond Lake. So again, if you're heading up further north, across the Cascade Passage, you will have to encounter some snow. Could see an inch or two over towards Lake of the Woods. Most of this will be tomorrow morning. Here's your forecast for the Oregon coast. Temperatures staying into the 50s and 60s for the next several days. Could see some showers throughout the week, but nothing really all that significant. Friday looks to be the lone really dry day. Northern California, I'm going to have some morning frost over the next couple of mornings. Breezy afternoons, temperatures in the 60s, and then getting to about mid-70s by the time we get towards Friday, and can see a weak system move through over the weekend. Klamath Basin, 50s for the next couple of days, 60s, and then 70s by the end of the week. So you can see temperatures getting warmer each day, but still frost in the mornings. For the Cascades, going to be looking at some snow showers for tomorrow. Things drying out on Tuesday, looking pretty nice for the remainder part of the week. And then it looks like just rain showers at this time for next weekend. Here in the Rogue Valley, right around 60 for the next couple days. Could see some showers. Best chance of seeing rain will actually be over towards Grants Pass. And then temperatures warming to the mid and upper 70s to end the week.
Thanks, Oliver.